So the last question I was discussing, question 16. Question 16, the question was how many moles of ions are present in 30 cm3. So this, there was a calculation mistake in the last one. I took 0.015, the concentration, but in the question it is 0.025. So to get the moles equal concentration into volume, the concentration 0.025 times the volume is 30 divided by 100, 1000. So it is 0.00075. These are the moles of barium hydroxide. But we need the moles of the ions. In the last session I took that as 0.015, I guess. So now we need the ratio between the molecule, barium hydroxide, and the ions, because 1 mole will dissociate into 1 barium ion and 2 hydroxide ions. So 1:3 is the ratio. So 0.3075, this will be x cross multiply. So this will be multiplied. In that case, it will come out 0.00225. So C will be the right answer. Because I think I took a wrong concentration in the previous part. Then when 1.27 grams of copper is added to excess of silver nitrate solution, the ionic equation. So basically we need an ionic equation. You can work out like using a mole ratio, you can work out, or you can directly using their valencies, you can also work out what should be the balanced ionic equation. As copper is more reactive than silver, so copper should displace silver. And so copper turn into copper ion by losing 2 electrons, and silver ion gain 1 electron to convert into silver atom. But the number of the electron lost by one should be equal to number of electron gained by the other. So if copper is losing 2 electrons, silver should gain 2 electrons. That's why it should be 2 silver ions. So one copper atom turn into copper ion, and silver ion turn into silver atom. So, and the equation state symbols, this is solid, aqueous. The more reactive metal atom displaces a less reactive metal ion from the solution. So A will be the right answer. Or the second way, you have the mass of copper, you have the relative atomic mass, you divide them, you'll get the moles. Same thing, you have the mass of a silver and you divide by relative atomic mass, you'll get the moles of silver, and take the mole ratio between them, so you will get the ratio of the moles as 1:2. The process with the highest atom economy is the production of, so highest atom economy in which we have the same, like if we get the same the desirable product, like if we want a mass of a desirable product divided by total mass of a reactant into 100, that's how we work out atom economy. So propene by cracking of C20H42. So C20H42, if it produce propene, prop C3 and H6, and then remaining. So mass of desired product divided by total mass of reactant to 100. But if you see option D, the polyethene is produced polymerization. So because what happened in polymerization, we'll have 100% atom economy addition polymer, because the total mass of a reactant will be same as total mass of a product. So if you have propene molecules, when these propene molecules convert, this will be CH3H, and then there will be a long chain compound, will put N. So the amount of the monomer, the total mass of a monomer will be equal to total mass of polymer. So we'll have 100% atom economy. So D is the right answer. Because if we are getting a desired product, the mass of a desired product is same as the total mass of a reactant, then we'll have 100% atom economy. So In addition reaction, the total mass of a reactant will always be equal to total mass of a product. So addition reaction always have 100% atom economy because there is only one product and one product is a desirable product. Which hazard symbol must be displaced on a bottle contain hexane? So a bottle contain hexane means it is a hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon are flammable, they can easily catch fire. So what is the symbol for substance which can easily catch fire? So A is the right answer. This O is for oxidizing, highly oxidizing, like normally such as alcohols are there or oxidizing agents. So this O is written in fire, like it can catch fire and it is oxidizing agent. This is a symbol used for acids because acids, and this is a symbol for something the chemical which is poisonous like CFCs, chlorofluorocarbon or benzene. Which is a free radical. For a substance to be a free radical, it should not have any ion present, like they should not be charged. Free radical means a substance which is having a free electron is available to form a bond. That's called a free radical. So when I draw HOH or HO, so oxygen share 1, hydrogen share 1, and oxygen 6 electrons are there. So one unshared electron. What is the definition of free radical? A substance which contain unshared electrons. So A is the right answer. This OH with a charge negative, to be a free radical, it should not have ion charge. Like it should not lose or gain. And what about OH2? OH2 is like water, H2O. So it does not have any unpaired electron. The definition, like free electrons is not there. Pair of electron can be present, but not there is no free electron available. That's why water is not a free radical. Free radical means that it contain an element, unpaired element is there, or single electron is present on the structure so that it can form a bond. So A is the right answer. So these are the questions from January 2017, Unit 1.